Hi guys, this is Teacher Mel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, before we start the lesson for today, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the bell below so that you get notified when I uploaded the next video. Okay, our lesson for today is about subtraction of decimal. Okay, so if you are eager to learn, let's go. How to subtract decimal. For example, if you have 94.9, so 94.9 minus 41.871. Okay, so this one is in horizontal form. So again, it's the same, almost the same in addition of decimal. You can rearrange them into a vertical form. Okay, so 94, you can rewrite them 94.9 minus 41.871. so all numbers should be in line. Okay, so as you can see, there's no number here, so you can add 0 in there. Okay, alright. Now, we cannot minus 1 from 0. Okay, so what are we going to do is we have to borrow from the next number. So since this is 0, so it will become 9, and then this one will become 8, and then 0 here will become 10. Right, so 110. So we can subtract now. 10 minus 1 is 9. Alright, and then 9 minus 7 is 2. 8 minus 8 is 0. Then you just copy the point directly below. Right, so 4 minus 1 is 3. Then 9 minus 4 is 5. So the answer when you subtract 94.9 by 41.871 is 53.029. Alright. Okay, let's take another example. So for example, if you have 767.3, let's say 767.3 minus 24.9. so if the given is written in that way, you can rearrange them into vertical form. That is 767.3 minus, so you copy the point first so that you will get confused. So 9 here, then 4, then 2. Okay, so that's how you write your subtrahend, so that you will not get confused where to write 2 or where to write 4. Right, so we all know that we cannot minus 9, we cannot subtract 9 from 3 because the top number is smaller than 9. So we have to borrow from the second number. So this one, 7 will become 6, and then 3 will become 13. Alright, so what is 13 minus 9 now? So it's 4. Yeah, it's 4. Then 6 minus 4 is 2. So you just copy the point directly below. Right, and then 6 minus 2 is 4. Then bring down 7. So you just bring down 7 there. So the answer when you subtract 767.3 by 24.9, so it's 742.4. Alright, so that's the answer. Okay, so for the third example, so if you have let's say 35.438, yeah, minus 17.2. So again, we can rearrange this one into vertical form, and that is 35.438 minus, so you copy the point first, so point here, and then 2 here, and 7 here, then 1, right? And draw your line. Okay, then so as you can see, there's no number in here after 2, so you just add 0 in there, so that you will not get confused why there is no number in this part. So you can just easily add 0. Then 8 minus 0 is 8, 3 minus 0 is 3, 4 minus 2 is 2, then copy the point directly below. So 5 minus 7 is cannot be, so all we have to do is we have to borrow from the next number. So 3 will become 2 and 5 will become 15. Yeah, so 15 minus 7 is 8, then 2 minus 1 is 1. So this difference between 35.438 and 17.2 is 18.238. Okay, for the last example for today, okay, so if we have 809 or 809.144 minus 15.96, yeah, so again, so we have to rearrange them in vertical column or vertical form, that is 809.144 minus, so you copy the point first, point here, and then this one is 96, and this one is 51. Alright, or you can put 0 here so that you will not get confused. Now, and also 0 here. Alright, so what is 4 minus 0? So we can just simply bring down 0 there. Okay, and what is 4 minus 6? Okay, so that is cannot be. So we are going to borrow, okay, from the next number. So this one will become 0, right? And then this one will become 14. This one will become 14. So what is 14 minus 6? So this is 8. Alright? But 0 minus 9 is cannot be. So we have to borrow again from the next number. And then this one will become 8. This one will become 10. Okay? So 10 minus 9 is 1. Copy the point directly below. And then what is 8 minus 5? And that is 3. So again here, 0 minus 1 is cannot be. So we have to borrow again from the next number. So 8 will become 7 and 0 will become 10. Okay, and 10 minus 1 is 9. 7 minus 0 is 7. So the answer when you subtract 809.144 by 15.96 is 793.184. Okay, so if you would like to learn more techniques, please don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. So, and then click the bell so that you will get notified the next time I uploaded my next video. Okay, till next time, see ya.